Really?
Yes, I did. I told you.
But are you a big kid?
Yes. And I told you.
What does that mean?
It means I'm a big kid. Can I see?
Mm-mm.
Cheese.
Quit being silly. Tell me how big a kid you are again. Tell me what all that means.
I'm supposed to make up on you or paint nails.
What if I told you you were a little kid, though?
No, I'm a big kid.
But I think you're still Daddy's little baby girl, and you're a little kid.
No, I am a big kid.
You jump like a big kid, huh? Wow, that's big jumps. Wow. You must be a big kid.
Yes. I must be a big kid.
Yeah, I guess you are. I guess maybe I should just let you wear makeup all the time, huh? Do you think you need to wear makeup, sissy?
Yes, because to make me pretty.
You're already pretty.
No, I'm not.
Oh, you're beautiful. You're a big jumper.
Adrian, what's your favorite show in the whole world?
Princess Bassoon.
Princess Bassoon? Is it your most favorite show you've ever seen?
Yes.
How come?
Because it's on little Einstein paws. And
What is it?
Play-Doh. Since I've been playing with Play-Doh all day. And my daddy couldn't take a picture, and then I got that, and then I lost my Play-Doh.
You did?
Yes, I need you to help me find it.
Well, where'd you put it?
I hide it where nobody can find it.
And you lost it?
Yes.
What are you looking at there?
It's Play-Doh.
Don't throw it on the ground.
Hey, Adrian, how old are you?
3.
Show me on your hands how old you are.
You must be a jumping girl.
Adrian? Hey, Adrian, is it night time?
No.
Are you
The sun
tired?
went night-night. And the moon is awake.
Are you tired, sissy?
No.
You're not tired?
Sure signs of fatigue.
Adrian.
I can reach the sky without I need.
Adrian, pick apples.